Hello and welcome to an awesome video. If you are an app developer, tech developer, or you are in the tech business or you're running a SaaS business, this is a very important video because you're going to learn how to attract users and grow your app or SaaS business. All right. My name is MK Khan and I'm a copywriter for SaaS businesses. So if you're struggling with getting numbers for your app, don't have enough downloads, or people are not taking action or understanding what you are selling or what your software does, this video is going to really help you. So this video is for app developers, tech founders, tech startups, software developers, any kind of SaaS business. So if you run any kind of software business, if you develop apps, if you want to grow your app business, listen and learn from this video. Now there's a few things I want you to know and remember while you are trying to run your business, grow your business, and two reasons why sometimes it might be difficult for you to get users. Number one, you are not your user. Maybe you are an app developer. Maybe you understand the tech space, all right? Maybe you're a tech founder. You have to understand most times the software you are creating, right, is for users who are not like you. They don't understand some of the technology or the terminologies that you use to describe your app. They don't understand those things. So always remember that. Always remember also that they don't understand the tech jargon. Words, phrases that you use might be over their head. They don't understand what you're saying. So you have to be careful when you're trying to communicate the value of your software or what your product does, what your software does. Okay? So there are many things you can do to grow your software, grow your business, and attract users. Whether you're trying to get free software users or paid software users, there are a number of things that you can do that can help you grow. But I'm just going to focus on one thing today. I want to focus on just one thing today. In another video, I will talk about other things that you can do. But the first thing, like I said, is I focus on one thing. So the one thing I want to tell you that you need to know is this. Don't use technical words to explain what your app or software does. This is what I see every time when I work with clients. All right, you go to their landing page, you will see them explain their software, and it uses technical words. All right, sometimes you read it and you don't really understand what they do. I also notice them running Facebook ads, maybe Twitter ads, and you are going to read the ad, and you don't seem to really understand what the software does because they use a lot of technical terminologies, they use a lot of words and phrases that are too deep for the unlearned person to understand. So always remember that. Do not use those big terminologies and big jargons to explain or run ads, okay? Rather use simple words and terminologies that the average person can understand. I noticed these mistakes in a lot of places like sales pages. If you're selling a software and you're writing a sales page and you use technical words, people will not understand and they will not buy or they will not download the app, then you won't have users. Landing pages, where I see it a lot too. People here miss it. So they use technical terms that people don't understand. On Twitter ads, I see that a lot. Twitter ads, you see people use lots of technical terminologies. People don't understand what the software does. So on Facebook ads, on YouTube ads, Google ads, even on the Google Play Store, where people can download the app, I see a lot of technical jargon used. You always need to remember, write your ad in the form, in the way that your user can understand so that they can download your app. Because if they don't understand what your app does or what your software will do for them, they will not download, okay? So, also in sales images, now most software and apps usually ask for email address, and then most times they follow up, especially if they're trying to get people to pay for the paid service. I see that same mistake also. They make mistakes with sending emails that only talk about technical stuff. If you want to sell people to upload or upgrade to use your app or your SaaS, You need to tell them about stories. You have to write story emails. You have to write about experiences. You have to write about what the product can do for them, how their life will change. So many things you can do, but don't go talking about the technical thing. People don't really care about the technical thing, okay? And if you don't do it this way, people will ignore you, ignore your business, ignore your apps. Even if you run adverts, they will ignore it because they don't know what you're talking about. So the problem is just to simply start writing copy on these different places. Your landing page, your emails, your ads, let it be easy to understand. Take out all the technical terminologies and make it easy to understand. But I know that trying to do that might be very difficult for tech founders and tech company owners, right? SaaS businesses. It's a bit difficult for them to pull out all those technical terminology, okay? So what do you do if you cannot do that? The easiest thing to do is to get a copywriter who understands your business and your space to help you write the words that can be easily understood by your user, okay? A copywriter can come in and do the job of making sure what you're writing is easy to understand so that you can get a lot of people to join you. I've done that for a lot of businesses, and if you need somebody who can help you with writing words, emails, landing pages, Twitter ads for your SaaS business, your software, reach out to me. You can send an email to my email right there and we can talk about it. But just know this, if you use big words, tech terminologies, and all of those things to describe your product, your software, your SaaS business, if you use it in your emails, in your Twitter ads, in your Google Play Store download on the Apple iOS, it will be difficult for you to get people to download, all right? So that's the solution. There are many other solutions that I'm going to talk to you about in some other subsequent videos, but for now, if you do this adjustment, you'll be able to get a lot of downloads and users. And I can be of service to you. I can help you work on your SaaS landing page, write the emails for you, and do any other thing that you want to help you communicate the value of your SaaS business, your software, your app to your users easily. If you want me to work with you, if you want to talk to me about your project, send an email to mk@productsbymk.com and then we can get discussing. See you in another video where we'll talk about another thing you can do to help you grow your SaaS business. Bye bye. See you later.